Fischer, from machine shop to innovative manufacturing of stainless steel tubes for many different applications. From a small company to a progressive global group with entrepreneurial spirit. Fischer Group means an authority in stainless steel. In 1969, Hans Fischer started producing machine tool components as well as the building of small specialized machinery in Seebach in the Black Forest. In 1974, work began on the development and building of a machine to produce welded stainless steel tubes. In 1987, the next move was to expand overseas. The Fischer Canada stainless steel tubing plant in Waterloo, Ontario was founded. In 1990, the foundations were laid for the plant in Centurion, South Africa. From this location, Fischer supplies the South African market. 1992, founding of Fischer Mexicana in Puebla. 7 years later, in 1999, the San Luis Potosi plant in northern Mexico followed as a joint venture company. In 1998, another production site was established. Fischer Stainless Steel Tubing in Manchester, Tennessee, in the southeastern United States, supplies the American market. 1999, Fischer Edelstahlrohre, Austria, in Griffin. The Austrian plant in Carinthia completes the product range with annealed stainless steel tubing. Since 1990, additional independent companies were set up for producing tubes at the individual sites. Today, the Fischer Group offers innovation and years of expertise in a strong network of companies with its core production plant in Aachen, plus 6 plants at international locations. The Fischer Group of companies specializes in the manufacturing and processing of welded stainless steel tubing, organized as follows. Fischer Edelstahlrohre GmbH, manufacturer of welded stainless steel tubes of different geometry in various materials and an extensive product spectrum. Fischer Rohrtechnik GmbH, as manufacturer of welded stainless steel tubes and other base materials to most diverse construction units. Hans Fischer Maschinentechnik, with its specialty in the development, construction and production of tube manufacturing systems, as well as the necessary tools for tube making and tube processing. Stainless steel is a very versatile material. As semi-finished material, manufactured out of cold-rolled metal and cut to the appropriate width, the slit coil is the base material for our extensive product range. Highly durable stainless steel is available for resistance to corrosion, to handle exposure to extreme mechanical and thermal stress. We produce stainless steel tubes from ferritic tables and austenitic alloys, or from high-quality material in various widths and wall strengths for multifaceted areas of application. The Fischer Group has specialized in the manufacturing and processing of welded stainless steel tubes. Most of these tubes are produced by machines developed, constructed, and manufactured by Hans Fischer Maschinentechnik. Our production range includes round tubing in all the current metric and standard sizes, square, triangular, and oval-shaped tubes, as well as various special profiles. Tubes in nearly every kind of utilization are available in the required quality. In order to supply this range competitively and to the highest quality standards, we've continuously upgraded our production to the most modern level of technology. We produce stainless steel tubes from the coil through our automated systems. The strip is roll-formed through several stages and is welded in a continuous process. Accepting challenges and transforming them into customized solutions is part of our company philosophy. At a special workstation, we produce thin-walled stainless steel tubes. As the last step of the process, the tubes are coated with plastic in an extrusion process to achieve the required degree of bending our customers need. Tubes in high-volume production are polished, calibrated, arranged, tested, marked, and cut to the customer's requested length and packaged in bundles or special containers. This product was also developed together with the customer, a thin-walled square tube with punched surface texture. Due to our customer-oriented company perspective, we turn this task into an economical and effective solution. The complex tube mill and the production tools were developed, constructed, and manufactured by Hans Fischer Maschinentechnik. We manufacture this thin-walled tube with a profiled surface in shift operations. In further production phases, the 3 different profiles are simultaneously cut to the right length and stacked in special transport containers using a handling system. A special process at Fischer is the perforation of the slit coil, which is then used as base material for the tube production line. At this stage of production, stainless steel tubes are separated exactly and economically using a laser. On this automated production line, Fischer produces stainless steel tubes for vacuum cleaners. We start out with the slit coil. After the forming and welding, the tube is cut to fixed lengths using a multi-headed saw. After the cutting, we polish the tube to a mirror finish. To protect the tube from scratches, we use a highly specialized packaging. Computer-supported storage. Numerous spare parts and single components, assistance and operational materials are immediately available thanks to the use of the most modern logistics system. Our high shelf storage with its 8 towers offers the best service and fastest access. The staging according to parts lists or computer data in standardized pallets is solved ergonomically and economically. The Fischer Rohrtechnik GmbH processes welded stainless steel tubes, but also other sheet metal and material for various parts. Our different production processes and manufacturing capabilities result in a comprehensive range of possibilities for stainless steel components. The range of available shaped parts is constantly expanded and ultimately determined by customers' requirements. The production processes and plants and product range are equally varied. Those parts are made by reshaping, for example, bending, expanding, reducing, and molding, as well as welding, surface polishing, and other processes. Modern and efficient machines are available for a multitude of processes. The automotive exhaust system is a stainless steel domain. For this application, corrosion-resistant, mechanically and thermally high durable materials are required, characteristics which can be met with stainless steel. But it's not just in the area of exhaust systems. In sanitary installations, stainless steel is being used more and more. Where other materials with a specific pH value dissolve, stainless steel remains neutral. Other uses for stainless steel are in the construction business, the chemical industry, the food sector, the aeronautical and space industry, medicine and rehabilitation technology, installations for salt extraction from seawater, building and shipbuilding. Bending operations belong to the most common work processes of tube components. The range covers the small series to the mass production, from simple curves to three-dimensional molded parts with complex geometry and close radii. At several of our production sites, we produced bent tubing for a later use in cars. The installation and processing of parts is supported by handling systems and the step-by-step, fully automatic bending process. An enormous advantage of this production method is the fact that the product's quality remains constant. The continuing development of our production processes offers our customers further opportunities in their production needs. The hydroforming process allows the mass production of complex building components. 2 hydroforming presses, each with a 1,500-ton forming power up to 4,000 bar, completes the range of our major installations. To handle large series production of parts, we rely heavily on sequenced electronically controlled systems. The great advantage of fully automated systems is the short time sequencing without compromising product quality. With this approach, we can offer our customers production technology at an excellent value for money. On-base dimension stainless steel pipes cut to length are supplied and passed on to the individual stations by way of a buffer for the calibration of the pipe diameter, the reciprocally cutting pipe and end preparation, and locking examination of geometry and density. Without the aid of computers, our storage of material and tools could not function properly. A computer-supported stock management is a crucial factor to ensure optimized tool preparation and maintenance times. For small batch manufacturing to mid-series of customized products. For example, for the axial shaping of the most different construction units, we have extensive manufacturing plants. The tube ends are deburred by means of brushes or through vibratory deburring with small rocks. The restoring of the original material properties of the tubes can be achieved by a final thermal treatment. Fischer Maschinentechnik is responsible for the development, engineering, and manufacturing of tube-making equipment, tube-forming equipment, and all required tools for those systems. We employ the CAD/CAM system Pro Engineer for our development and construction processes. By linked data exchanged to the individual CNC production plants, we achieve a high flexibility and reduced turnaround times. An efficient electrical department secures the control technology needed for mechanical engineering. In machine cutting technology, we rely on modern processing centers. The large advantage of this production technology is the high dimensional accuracy and effectiveness. With qualified personnel, from skilled workers to technicians, parts are developed at these machines which correspond to the set requirements. For years, a modified sawing technology has been used for stainless steel tubes. A reliable supply of saw blades is maintained by Fischer Maschinentechnik's own saw blade sharpening center. As a certified company under the terms of ISO TS 16949-2002, as well as to DIN EN ISO 9001-2000, we are committed to providing the highest quality in products and processes. In the Quality Center, we examine our products for physical, chemical, and mechanical characteristics and other required properties. Our Quality Center is also well equipped for metallurgical analysis of our products. Besides a multitude of testing methods which we implement, evaluate, and document, we have an air-conditioned measuring room equipped with modern 3D coordinate measuring machines. The measured values are collated digitally, logged using a computer, and made available for evaluations. We regard it as our task to promote the responsibility and quality consciousness of all our employees. Through this, we control, regulate, and adjust the competencies for all procedures that affect our overall quality. We also validate the effectiveness of our data collection systems. Fischer High-Grade Steel Tubes specializes in the production of welded stainless steel tubes. Our delivery program covers a wide spectrum of materials, dimensions, and wall thicknesses. Fischer Tubing Technology provides process tubes as round, square, and rectangular tubing, as well as special profiles in the dimensions to fit customers' requirements. We work according to all usual procedures like bending, axial, and tube end shaping, interior high-pressure transforming, shaping, releasing, stamping machines, welding, as well as sawing and deburring. Furthermore, all tubes can be heat-treated if the application calls for it. Fast availability of products also means more at storekeeping. We offer our customers fast and accurate shipments, which improves their inventory management. Our enterprise information system is based on an MRP system with embedded product tracking systems from coil to final product. Functions like dispatch and planning are integrated into one system. For the control and monitoring of this complex production system, as well as for the coordination with suppliers and customers, we use an efficient data processing system. In the long run, only fast and comprehensive availability of all data on base materials, work orders, quality data is of high use for our customers. Teamwork, partnership, and cooperation have a high value for our company. Accepting tasks and converting them to solutions to meet our customers' requirements is our firm philosophy. This requires excellent and open communication between all departments. What Hans Fischer, the company founder, created in 1969 has developed into a network of firms with market-oriented production and processes to one of the leading companies in its field. Hans-Peter Fischer, who built up the USA plant, worked successfully in the expansion and further development of the company. The permanent development of efficient product technologies and the solution for customers' tasks challenge us on a daily basis. In order to find new methods and processes to satisfy our customers, we are working on new solutions, relying on years of experience and expertise. The Fischer Group of companies, with its additional areas, stainless steel tubing, tubing technology, and machine technology, form a flexible and forceful team. At the Aachen production site, 3 independent firm activities are housed under one roof, working toward the same goal: satisfied customers.